Think twice before answering.
Hey, can I use your phone?
This video shows shocking footage of trespassers and thieves caught on Ring cameras.
Excuse me, put that back.
And I own the UFO missile Department of Defense National Security.
Watch closely. Albany, New York. People really have no shame these days. Springfield, Oregon.
Hello? Please take me home.
This lady seems like she's on something.
Take me home.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Please let me go home.
We'll check back on her later in the video to see what happens next. Washington, D.C. This one's a real nightmare for any homeowner. At exactly 2:43 a.m., this man showed up, poured some kind of flammable liquid all over the porch. And then lit it on fire. It's terrifying to even watch. This is why it's so important to stay alert and check your doorbell camera notifications, especially late at night. Stay safe out there, folks. Elizabeth, New Jersey.
Can I help you? Excuse me, put that back. Put that back right now before I call the cops. Yeah, bye. Bye.
Yeah, buddy, don't even think about coming back here. Toledo, Ohio. This guy knocks on the door, then immediately sprays something weird on it. What even is that? And check the background. 3 more dudes just hanging back like it's nothing.
Hello?
Excuse me, have you seen a lost dog over here running anywhere?
No, baby, I ain't even been outside.
He even tries to hide the spray. Yeah, something's definitely not right here. Cincinnati, Ohio. This one's just sad. A mom spots a package left outside and actually tells her daughter to grab it. Seriously? Phoenix, Arizona. Remember how you all kept asking for a video where these guys get caught? Well, here it is. This dude steals a car and, yep, gets arrested. Karma's got a way of catching up with people, doesn't it? Haverhill, Massachusetts. This couple? Definitely not the kind of guests anyone wants.
Yeah, windows open. His window's open.
They invade your space, go through your stuff, and then act all entitled.
I don't give a...
Complaining and harassing you like they own the place.
You're leaving windows open and the heat. Oh. Let's go.
And just look at their faces,
Come on, let's go.
angry and entitled. Denver, Colorado. Around 11 o'clock at night, this woman shows up with some kind of request. Let's hear what she has to say.
Hi, can I use your phone? Can I use your phone? Okay.
Do you think she really needs help, or is something else going on here? Don't go anywhere. Upcoming clips might just blow your mind. West Palm Beach, Florida.
Hello?
Hi.
Yeah?
How much you selling the truck for? The small truck.
You've already asked me that before.
I forgot what you say for.
2,500.
Hey, Ranger, have a good day. Have a good day.
Same night, homeowner catches this guy creeping around bedroom windows at midnight. What would you do in this situation? Portland, Oregon.
Turn it up. Push the buttons. Turn it up. Hello. Is anybody home today?
Seriously, lady? It's none of your business. Rancho Cordova, California. Check out this doorknob checker. These people really need to do better. Schenectady, New York. This dude spots a cute cat and decides to steal it. When he gets caught, he comes up with the most childish excuse. Let's see how this unfolds.
Yeah, that's my cat.
Okay, I was actually going to check. I just didn't want.
How are you going to check the cat? Take my cat.
Yeah, well, your cat doesn't have a collar on, and it was just wandering around.
Albany, New York. What is wrong with these guys? Salina, Kansas. At 2 a.m., this one's totally unexpected and honestly, pretty unsettling. Watch this full clip. You won't regret it, but you might be creeped out. Is he performing some kind of ritual? Because it sure looks like it. And trust me, it's a little scary if this was happening right outside your door.
Can I help you?
Yeah, I had a hunch with the federal unofficial about the girl that they told me to come here and ask if I could get the girl out of the basement.
There's no one here. Thank you. You need to leave, please, or I'm going to call the police.
Oh yeah, could you do that? I'll tell you my name. So I'm going, okay? My name is Bradley Akers, and I'm why the Yahweh Jesus Christ keeps the planet on for 20 years of being mobbed. And I own the UFO missile Department of Defense National Security. I don't have any ID, so I'm going back to Brentwood Drive in Danville, Virginia with a hovering airplane. I stay around here. But yeah, signal the authorities of case file CRM CDL 47 of CIA.gov. They'll know who it is. I'm the only one awake. My whole family has been murdered for over 10 years. But God bless you, I'm looking for Adeline is her code name, alias National Security. She'll be here on Tuesday. Have a good night. I'm sorry to disturb you. I know you're a computer, probably from Western Asia and Assyria. There won't be any break-ins, and I'll have my money put back because I have seriously died for this country's. And from the
Go home, Bradley.
Okay, you do know me. Thank you.
Dude, just go home.
Tell George W. Bush that he can't because he rides one of them palmetto branches.
Should I just leave it?
Eugene, Oregon.
One more time, and then if he doesn't answer, then we'll just leave it. Okay. No, I'm not going to ring it again. I'm just going to leave it.
Shout out to this lady for doing the right thing. She found a lost wallet and actually returned it to the homeowner. Bullhead City, Arizona. This one's sneaky. Late at night, this lady shows up trying the doorknob with one hand while pretending to knock with the other. Don't come back to this house again, lady. East Lansing, Michigan. Check out this so-called neighborly moment.
You guys want a vacuum? Here you guys. For free, too. We'll let you guys borrow it. We'll let you guys borrow it. I'm gonna pick it up. I'm gonna pick it up for you.
Seriously, dude? Neighbors like you? Nobody wants. St. Paul, Minnesota. Here we go again. Another porch pirate? But this one?
Yo, leave the...
Yeah, he got busted.
Bro. Thank you.
Seattle, Washington. Seriously, dude? Of all the choices you could make at night, you really decided to pee on someone's car? Beaverton, Oregon. These people are getting out of hand. Just look at this. No shame at all. Dover, Delaware. Around 1 a.m., 3 suspicious dudes approach this house, and something definitely doesn't feel right. Look at this guy. He's got a stick in his hand, trying to trick the homeowner into opening the door. Why would anyone approach your house at this hour, especially with a weird excuse? Let's see what they say.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it
But
now.
remember, never, ever open the door in situations like this.
I need somebody to answer the door.
Hey, what's
Yeah.
going
Yeah, man, I'm down here. This is 212, right?
Yes.
My aunt, her eye watch is thinking that her watch is here.
I'm sorry, sir, but I'm living here with my wife. There is nobody else living here, so I don't know what you guys are talking about.
She just did her find my phone app, and her watch is dinging that it's at this address.
I'm sorry, brother, but I mean, I don't know. That's all I can tell you. Don't you guys think that it's 212, not Governor's Boulevard?
Yeah, it says 212 North Governors.
Not Governor's what? Avenue or Boulevard?
What did she say? I think it's Avenue.
Yeah, if it's Avenue, it's here, but I mean, I'm telling you, I'm the only one here with my wife living here, so there's nobody else living here.
Her find her phone app is thinking that her watch is here. So
Yeah, I'm sorry, but I did clean the yard, actually clean the yard today. Didn't see anything over there. I don't know.
You said what?
I did clean my yard today, so I don't know what I don't know what the watch is. I didn't see anything there, so I have no clue, brother. If you guys want to call the cops, that's fine. No problem.
Stay safe, folks. Midland, Texas. Whoever visits your house, one thing's for sure. It's always a loss for the homeowner. Los Angeles, California. Yeah, this guy thought it was a good idea to steal all these big packages. But seriously, dude, pull your pants up.
I'm coming.
Modesto, California. Around 1 o'clock in the morning, this lady comes and tries to open the door. Doesn't seem like she's under the influence, but the real question is, why is she trying to enter a home she clearly doesn't belong to? Never forget to keep your doors locked, especially at night. It's always better to be safe than sorry. Trenton, New Jersey. These two spot a bike left outside and decide it's the perfect opportunity to swipe it. But oh man, things don't go well for them. Let's see why they regret this decision. Washington, D.C. Another person walking by and thinking, why not try my luck? She just casually checks the doorknob. Seriously, don't do this again. Keep your doors locked, folks. Greensboro, North Carolina. Check out this weird dude.
What's happening in here? Let's see.
He seems like he might be struggling with something.
Bridget lives here. Who's Bridget?
Maybe even mentally ill.
She's got an old push button. This is an old house. Nothing has been used. It's fake art and a dog is living here. He seems happy.
Either way, it's really unsettling.
The door's open. Oh.
Stay safe, everyone, and always trust your instincts.
Smells like cigarettes. What year is it? 1975? I'm going.
Hey. Who are you? I'm sorry? Oh, give me a break.
Dorchester Center, Massachusetts. This is where we've come to, folks. We can't even leave our shoes outside anymore without someone trying to steal them. It's honestly getting out of hand. Keep your stuff secure, people. Meanwhile, in Springfield, Oregon, this lady's back looks like she's got someone's mail that she probably stole.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
I want to go home.
Seriously, go home, lady. Don't wander around taking other people's mail. New Orleans, Louisiana. You might wonder, why do people steal mail? Well, it's because they often find blank checks, debit, or credit cards in there. That's why it's so important to collect your mail on time and never leave it sitting outside. Stay safe, folks. Valencia, California. This house is in the middle of getting robbed. Always stay alert and make sure your security system is up and running. Corpus Christi, Texas. Seriously, folks, keep your dog on a leash. Bayonne, New Jersey. This dude thinks he's got it all figured out, but little does he know, the homeowner's got a doorbell camera keeping an eye on him. Let's see how this plays out.
Yo, what are you doing? Get out of here, bro. I'm about to call the cops. Yo, what are you doing? Are you serious? You idiot?
Milltown, New Jersey. Seriously, what's with all the random door knocking? If you don't have a good reason, stay away from other people's homes. Houston, Texas. Think porch pirates and thieves are scared of the cops? Think again. This clip might just prove you wrong. Erie, Pennsylvania. Yeah, the door's locked. Go home, lady. San Antonio, Texas. This porch pirate is pretty brave. She parks her car right in front of the house, scopes out the target, and then takes her sweet time before swiping the package. Meanwhile, in the background, you can hear a child crying. Could the child have seen what happened? Bronx, New York. Another neighbor from hell. Is to move to the middle of nowhere. Wouldn't that be nice? Folsom, California. At midnight, this lady rings the doorbell. But why is she looking in that direction? Is someone hiding there? It's hard to tell whether she's truly in need or up to no good. Sometimes these situations leave us wondering who we can trust. It's a tough call, right? Dallas, Texas. Dallas, Texas. Another late-night door banger. What's going on with these late-night visitors? It's always unsettling when someone shows up at your door at that hour. Should the homeowner have answered or called the cops right away? Let me know your thoughts. Zion, Illinois. This one's definitely concerning.
Hello. Sorry to bother you. We're in the neighborhood handing out free narc tests.
Close the door. Close the door, Wes.
Good day.
Close the door.
The homeowner believes they were the only family they visited in that neighborhood. Toledo, Ohio.
Come here, bro, with every week, and he'll let you lose his home.
Stop it, lady. What is she even thinking?
looking for you.
Let's go.
Hobbs, New Mexico. This one's a bit unsettling. It's late, and here comes a guy with some kind of request. Let's see what he has to say.
Can I help you?
Yeah, hey, sorry to bother, man. Me and my daughter broke down right here. We ran out of gas. We're just trying to see if anybody can help us with a few bucks for some gas.
I don't have no cash on me, brother.
Okay, no, you're fine, man.
What do you think? Should they have opened the door?
Appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
Hobbs, New Mexico. This guy's definitely acting suspicious. You can tell he's running from something or someone. Time to get out of there, buddy. Leave the property now. Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. Yeah, this one's odd. She comes up like she's going to take something, but then leaves a package instead. That kind of move feels off, like it's a distraction or maybe even part of a setup. Seattle, Washington. This is just disgusting. She literally treated someone's porch like a public restroom. Nobody should ever have to deal with this on their front step. It's not just gross, it's disrespectful on every level. St. Paul, Minnesota. Here we go again. Another classic doorknob checker, just walking up like it's no big deal. But this time, she picked the wrong house.
You doing? Don't get off of my door.
Okay. It's totally slow, rain. You're just trying to get out from under the rain.
Go ahead on before I come out there. You ain't gonna like it.
Binghamton, New York. This lady is definitely acting strange, right? Honestly, it's always unsettling when people just don't know when to leave. Stay aware, folks. Victoria, Texas. People need to get smarter about securing their cameras, especially the ones right by the door. It's tempting to leave them outside, but if it's not locked down, it's just an invitation for thieves. Albany, New York. So, this porch pirate stole the package, but the homeowner didn't waste any time chasing them down? That's some serious determination. Let's see if the homeowner managed to secure the package, or if the thief got away.
They ran sold. No, nothing.
It's Scott, bro. We can't find the phone.
Flint, Michigan. Seriously, why are people roaming around someone's property with a dog like this? What's in her hand? Definitely looks suspicious. This is exactly why it's crucial to keep your doors locked, folks. Stay safe out there. Detroit, Michigan. Here's another late-night creeper making their rounds. They're going from porch to porch, knocking on doors and waking up homeowners for absolutely no reason.
Now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Seattle, Washington. Another mail thief caught in action. It's becoming too common, huh? Thanks for watching, folks. Stay safe out there, keep an eye on your deliveries, and always lock up your stuff.